Okay, here's the left hand part for the Prowling Pussy Cat. It's not the lowest C on the piano that you're going to start on, but it's the next one, the next lowest C. And I'm going to get my hand ready in a C minor scale, but I'm moving finger 2 to that black note. So it'll sound like this. So we play these short notes first. Finger 5, 4, 3, 5. So try that a couple times, and then next we're going to go down on finger 2 and up on finger 1. Try that a couple times too, and then you'll put it all together. Now right hand is going to do the same thing starting on that next C. So that's where right hand begins. And we have C minor scale with this extra black note. This time we have finger 4 on it. It'll sound like this. So just like left hand, we start with short notes. Try that a few times. And next we go down on finger 4 and we come up on finger 5. So all together.